Yo.
Hey.
Oh.
Let go. Now. Good boy.
Sans, what was with your voice? Yeah? Sans, I'm free!
See? I told you. No.
Yeah. I, the great Papyrus, thank you for your service.
Come on. I barely did anything. I brought the pup home in the first place. I don't deserve it.
Still, thank you, brother.
You're the coolest, bro.
Rap. Eh?
Pep.
Canine! How dare you ruin a piece of the great Papyrus's battle body! Grrr!
Wait, Papyrus!
Sans, bring it back down now!
No.
Give it to me!
No.
Sans, we're getting rid of that thing!
What? We can't do that. He's just a puppy. He doesn't know what he did was wrong. We can't throw him back out into the cold like that. Please.
I know, you're right. I could never do that to it. But it still ruined the scarf you made me. You.
Huh? Aw, Pappy. Don't worry about it. I can fix it, bro. Though, I don't see why you'd want to.
Huh?
I think it makes you look even cooler. I mean, anything you wear looks cool, just...
You're right! It does add some daring features. Perhaps I actually owe this canine a thank you. It obviously did it for that reason.
Papyrus, maybe you shouldn't...
It's all right, brother. I feel the canine and I have a special bond forming now.
Okay.
Dog, as a thank you, I, the great Papyrus, will allow you to take shelter under our roof. See, it adores me, as it should. And I guess it is kind of cute. How about a little pet? Why?